how to add comment in Figma. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a comment in Figma to share feedbacks or ideas. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, open Figma app. Now open a Figma file or create a new one. After that, at the top right corner, click the comment icon. It looks like a little speech bubble. Or you can also find this option on the toolbar. Now, just click anywhere on the canvas you want to leave a comment. A comment box will pop up. Type in your message and hit post. That's it. Your comment will attach to that spot. You can also mention teammates to notify them directly in the comments. And that's how you add a comment. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.